Hi guys, it's Saturday, October the 5th, and today I'll be going to the Health and Hair Expo today. So right now I'm just getting ready to go. I have on a little cute dress. I'm wearing this small cute dress that I bought. I think I showed you guys on a previous vlog this dress. I really like it. It's really simple, and I have these nice jewelry here. Very simple, very chic. So right now I'm just putting myself together. My hair looks so terrible because it has no moisturizer in there, so I'm just gonna moisturize my face, and then that's it. I'm not gonna wear any makeup today, to be honest, because I'm trying to heal my skin more. As you can see, my skin is healing, but it still has those spots, and I don't want the makeup to like ruin anything. The moisturizer I'm using is this one from First Aid Beauty, the Ultra Repair Cream. This is my favorite moisturizer, only because it does what it says. When you put this on, my skin looks refined, it looks smooth, it just looks really healthy. So I love using this moisturizer check. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna be doing is to moisturize this hair, because look at this, guys, terrible. I'm gonna use the As I Am So Much Moisture. This is really for curly hair, but since this is a little bit curly at this thing, I'm just gonna put it all over my hair and just make it a little bit more, it's very liquidy, as you can see, very watery, so you have to be very careful when you're using the As I Am. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys the event. Of course, I'm taking you with me, so stay tuned for the event. I'm not going to be talking in the event. I'm just going to show you guys the booths, the stalls, the food, the entertainment. I'm just going to show you all of that, so stay tuned.